Welcome back to the 5-Star Paint in Huntsville YouTube channel, where we turn homes into masterpieces. I'm Amado Cano, and today we're going to dive into the top 5 pro tips for exterior painting, DIY style. Whether you're touching up your trim or going bold with a full home refresh, we've got you covered. Tip 1, inspections. Before you pick up a brush, pick up your eyes. A solid inspection can save you tons of headaches. Walk around your home and check for peeling paint, rotten wood, mildew, or cracked caulk. Trust me, painting over problems won't fix them. It'll just hide them until it rains. Repair, replace, and prep. Your paint job is only as good as your surface. Tip 2, clean before you dream. Next up, clean like your mother-in-law's coming over. Dirt, grime, mildew prevent paint from sticking. Rent a pressure washer or use a hose and scrub brush with a cleaning solution. Now don't skip this step now. Use bleach-based cleaner for mildew. Let dry from between 24 to 40 hours before painting. Hey guys, thank you for watching 5-Star Paint in Huntsville YouTube channel. Now don't forget to like, subscribe, and share. Till next time.